In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a signature in DocuSign. Whether you're a new user finding your way or someone striving to enhance your digital signing efficiency, you've come to the right place. We'll walk you through the process of uploading your signature, ensuring it's as easy as possible. Let's get started. To begin with, let's navigate from the DocuSign homepage. When you log into DocuSign, the first thing you want to do is locate your profile. Typically, you'll find this at the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on your profile gives you access to a range of personalization settings, which, importantly, includes your signature options. Once you're in your profile, look for the Signatures section. Here's where all your signature customization happens. You have a couple of options here. You can either add a brand new signature, or if you already have one and you're looking to make changes, you can click on Actions to find and select the Edit option. This intuitive interface allows you to manage or modify your signatures in whichever way suits your needs. Now, if you are adding a signature or editing an existing one, the next step is to actually create it. When you click to add or edit, you'll see a Draw button. Clicking on Draw opens up a canvas where you can either draw your signature using a mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen, depending on your device. Be sure to take your time with this step. Moving the cursor or your finger slowly and precisely will result in a cleaner, more legible signature. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, the final step is to save it, which in DocuSign is done by clicking Create. This not only saves your signature, but also makes it readily available for any documents you need to sign in the future. It's an efficient way of having your signature accessible and can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. That wraps up our tutorial on uploading a signature in DocuSign. By following these straightforward steps, you've now set up your electronic signature. This is crucial for ensuring that your digital documents are just as professional and legally binding as their paper counterparts. Remember, having a digitally stored signature simplifies transactions and streamlines your document workflow. So, whether you're dealing with contracts, agreements, or forms, you're ready to sign away confidently and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more tips and tutorials.